Buythis.co.za is proud to launch an awesome cashback incentive. Now, everyone can get cashback on any item they have purchased from Buythis.co.za or from sales at AM.CO.za or on the Fulfill Express app, up to 3 months back. Basically, any item with a barcode or QR code. How does it work? Just go to Buythis.co.za, click on the big cashback button. Now take the 12-digit number barcode on your product and enter it into this section where it says Enter Barcode here, and then press Validate Barcode. The fulfillment warehouse system will pick your order up, and the product you purchased will now appear just below with the order number. To claim your cashback, simply click on a video, and you can watch it as the system prepares your cashback award. It usually takes between 30 and 60 seconds. The status bar at the bottom of the video will indicate to you when the cashback is ready for you. At this stage, you can watch the video to the end or just close it. And there you go, your cashback award is now confirmed in your online wallet. You can check your online wallet at any stage by clicking on My Wallet to confirm your cashback payments. And you can now use your cashback for new purchases. Just scroll to the bottom of your checkout page and click on Online Wallet. Just visit Buythis.co.za and claim your cashback.